Hello, hi, welcome to all the beautiful ladies in the house. Welcome to Kanjipuram Varmalakshmi Silks. I'm at road number 56, Jubilee Hills, and I brought you the beautiful collection of Banarasi fancy sarees. Let's start with my saree. Beautiful Georgette sea green color saree. All over the body, we have golden zari dot booties. This beautiful saree has a very lovely border in a contrast color. Let me show you the pallu. Beautiful Banarasi Georgette saree has a very pretty contrast color pallu with leaf motifs, and it has a beautiful contrast blouse as well. And let me show you the price and details. Code of the saree MI453 and the price of the saree 13,010. Let's move on to another beautiful Banarasi saree. Beautiful Banarasi fall saree. The overall body of the saree, we have beautiful animals like horse, swans, lions. Beautiful falling saree in a dark green color. The border is highlighted with dot booties, golden zari. This lovely saree has a running pallu and a beautiful, lovely running blouse. As you can see, to shop this beautiful saree, let's check the code of the saree. Code of the saree MI451 and the price of the saree 4,699. Let's move on to another beautiful Banarasi fancy saree. Very elegant yellow color. The body of the saree is highlighted with flower motifs with golden and zari. This very elegant saree is highlighted with very lovely border. The highlighted with temple. Beautiful running pallu with silver zari. Let me show you the blouse now. This beautiful saree has a very lovely blouse in yellow color. To show this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code item, that is code of the saree MI473 and the price of the saree 4,199. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's go on to another lovely sarees. Another beautiful Banarasi fancy saree. Red color, beautiful color. The body of the saree is highlighted with flower silver zari booties. Beautiful contrast border. We have a beautiful border highlighted with temple. Let's see the pallu. Contrast pallu with diamond shape pattern, silver zari with floral jewel border. And lovely contrast blouse we have. All over the blouse we have the floral jewel pattern with silver zari. To show this beautiful saree, let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI478 and the price of the saree 4,099. Let's move on to another gorgeous saree. Very pretty, very elegant color. Beautiful green mango saree. Very pretty with thread work, multicolored flower booties we have all over the body with floral jewel pattern. This beautiful saree has a very elegant border, contrast border highlighted with golden zari leaf booties. Contrast pallu, green color, very pretty. This beautiful sari has a very lovely blouse in dark green color, contrast blouse. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the sari LK643 and the price of the sari 5899. Let's move on to another beautiful Banarasi fancy sari. We have a dark color, very pretty, dual shade line color. All over the body we have beautiful dual shade line color, peacock blue color and navy blue color. This beautiful sari has a very pretty border, self border highlighted with silver zari, flower booties, and a running pallu with silver zari, flower booties pattern. Let me show you the blouse. Very beautiful contrast blouse, purple color blouse. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the sari LP880 and the price of the sari 7,999. Before moving on to another beautiful sari, I would love to share that we have a COD available all over the Hyderabad and double shipment. No matter wherever, which part of the world you live, we do deliver the beautiful Varamahalakshmi silk saris to your doorsteps in no time. Let's move on to another elegant Banarasi fancy saris. Beautiful dual shade mustard color. Beautiful Banaras tissue kora sari. All over the body is highlighted alternative silver and golden zari booties with lovely border, self border, and the pallu, beautiful running pallu with golden zari. They have given the very pretty border to the blouse, yellow color blouse. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the code item MI468 and the price is 7,899. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Very elegant rose color sari, very pretty, pinkish. All over the body of the sari is highlighted with zari work, flower booties. This beautiful pink color sari has a beautiful border highlighted with silver zari, floral jar pattern. We have a running pallu. Beautiful semi-mushroom, Banarasi semi-mushroom sari. Let's check the blouse now. This beautifully Banarasi semi-mushroom has a very pretty blouse, as you can see. Let me check the price and details. Code of the sari LO181 and the price of the sari 4,899. Let's move on to another beautiful Banarasi fancy. Very pretty color, dark green color sari. All over the body we have checks pattern with multi-color design, multi-designed zari pattern. Beautiful Banarasi Georgette sari with contrast border. Very pretty contrast pallu with golden zari. And the blouse is highlighted with golden zari with contrast color. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the code item, that is code of the sari MI463 and the price of the sari 11,799. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Very elegant, very lightweight Banarasi tissue sari, very beautiful, highlighted with silver and zari all over the body. And with lovely border with golden zari. Let's check the pallu. This beautiful saree has a very lovely pallu along with beautiful contrast color border with blouse. Beautiful blouse. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI465 and the price of the saree 7,899. Let's move on to another beautiful dark color Banarasi. Beautiful red color saree. Banarasi Georgette. We have an alternative pattern in this with flower booties. This beautiful saree has a very lovely border highlighted with temple. And the pallu is running pallu with beautiful temples highlighted on the pallu. And plain red color blouse. Very pretty. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the item code that is LX229 and the price of the saree 11999. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's go on to another gorgeous saree. Wow. Very lightweight, multicolored Banaras fancy saree. All over body of the saree is highlighted with mirror work. Beautiful saree has a silk border. And the pallu is highlighted with cut work and mirror work. Very pretty. Let me show you the blouse now. The blouse is also highlighted with multicolored cut work and a mirror work. To shop the saree, let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI461 and the price of the saree 9,499. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Let's see the closure look of the saree. Beautiful Banarasi green mango saree. All over the body we have a thread work. And the border is gap border highlighted with silver zari. Very pretty border with contrast color. And the pallu is a contrast pallu with beautiful blouse. Contrast blouse with gap border. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI455 and the price of the saree 5,899. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Very beautiful, very light color, lightweight saree Banarasi. The body of the saree we have beautiful leaf booties all over the body of the saree. Dual shade pink color and the self border with running pallu with beautiful tassels. We have a lovely contrast blouse for this pink saree. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MI459 and the price of the saree 8,299. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Very elegant, very lightweight. Peacock green color saree. All over body of the saree is highlighted with mirror work and thread work. The body is highlighted with Gomatas, beautiful printed works. We have the curry borders with contrast pallu, mirror and cut work. We do have a beautiful contrast blouse. Very pretty. Let's see the price and details. Code of the saree MI462 and the price of the saree 9,499. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Amazing saree. Very gorgeous. Very light color The overall body of the saree is in very beautiful peach color Banarasi, highlighted with thread work, with flowers. The beautiful border we have is a gap border highlighted with silver zari, self border with running pallu. This beautiful saree has a very lovely running blouse with gap border. Now let's check the present details. Code of the saree MI454 and the price of the saree 5,199. Before we moving on to another saree, I would love to share we have a video call facility in our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002 and the team will assist you. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Another amazing light color, very elegant Banarasi fancy saree. Tissue saree with golden zari lead booties. This beautiful saree has a very lovely border highlighted with golden zari floral gel pattern. Very lovely running pallu with beautiful running blouse. Let's see the present details. Code of the saree MI466 and the price of the saree 8,799. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Very pretty dual shade color saree, triple shade color saree. Thread work, small flower booties on that. Ice grey color. Kora saree. Self border with thread work. Beautiful fancy collection we have. With running pallu. Let me show you the blouse. Beautiful running blouse in black color. Let's check the present details. Code of the saree MG273 and the price of the saree 6,699. Let's move on to another gorgeous saree. Beautiful Banarasi Georgette saree. The all over body of the saree, we have parrots with gold and silver zaris, with lovely border, self border, very pretty baby pink color saree with running pallu, highlighted with flower booties and mango pistils. The blouse we have is a running blouse, very pretty running blouse. Now let's check the present details. Code of the saree MI464 and the price of the saree 15,899. Let's move on to another elegant saree. Wow, very beautiful, very elegant. Mustard color saree. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with silver dot booties. It has a very beautiful self border with elephants and beautiful running pallu. And with beautiful self blouse with golden zari border. Now let's to shop this beautiful saree. Take a screenshot and send it to a WhatsApp number that is 8900010002 along with this item code. That is MI457 and price of the saree 5,099. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. We have another Kora, Banarasi Kora saree. Very pretty color, white color. The body of the saree is highlighted with silver and golden booties, leaf booties. The lovely border we have in golden zari, its floral jar pattern, and the self pallu. with running. The beautiful sari has a very lovely blouse, running blouse in red color. Let's see the price and details. Item code MI 467 and the price is 7,899. Let's move on to the Banarasi collection. Beautiful green color sari combined with rose color, pink color combination. The body is highlighted with silver zari, floral work, flower booties. We have a very beautiful contrast border, highlighted with temple. Beautiful parrot green color saris highlighted with contrast pallu. And we have a contrast lovely blouse, very pretty, right? Now let's check the price and details of this beautiful sari. Code of the sari MI481 and the price of the sari is 7,999. To shop this beautiful matka silk, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Very beautiful pink color sari. Overall body of the sari, we have beautiful flower silver booties with very pretty border, highlighted with meenas with floral jewel patterns. Beautiful pink color sari has a contrast pallu. With very beautiful contrast blouse. Now let's see the price and details. Code of the sari MI460 and the price of the sari 8,299. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow. Yellow color sari. All over the body of the sari is highlighted with flower booties, with meenas. Matka silk Banarasi sari. The border is very lovely. Self border. Beautiful yellow sari has a very beautiful self pallu. And with lovely contrast blouse. Now let's see the price and detail. Code of the sari MI458 and the price of the sari 8,299. Moving on to last sari in a Banarasi fancy collection. Wow, very pretty Banarasi georgette in an onion pink color. The overall body of the sari, as you can see, is highlighted with silver zari, floral jewel pattern. This beautiful sari has a very lovely border, self border, with lovely running pallu. And let's see the blouse. This lovely sari has a running blouse, as you can see, very pretty. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the sari MI456 and the price of the sari is 15,899. For today, these are the beautiful Banarasi fancy collections. I'll come up with very pretty and very lovely saris for the next time. Till then, namaskar.
So we live in the States. This is gonna be our third wedding. First one was just between me and her at a temple in Chino. Second one was in Chicago with her parents. And this is the third wedding. My Babi lives here, so she said this is one of the best places to shop for the saris. My mom is shopping there. My Babi is shopping there. Hopefully she likes this one. Hopefully everybody gets nice saris today. Looks like my mom has finalized something. We like it, so far beautiful ones. I think she's already liked a few. Nothing but good things to say about the selection,